Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? This is another tutorial. I'm your on AY YouTube channel, and my channel is all about SEO, blogging, cryptocurrency, media. So if you are just watching this particular video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the new and the latest update from me. Today, I'm going to show you on how to get backlink. How you do follow backlink from one of the top, most trafficable website in the world. I'm talking about United Nations backlink. This particular backlink is good for your website to rank, and it also gives you a unique juice to your website so that your website can rank higher. If you look at the SEO metric of UN Nation website, as UN Nation website, it has domain authority of 94, unique root domain 640.9k, ranking keyword over 513k, and the spam score is around 228. And this particular website has been in existence for over 60 years, decades. So it's good for you. And in this tutorial, I will show you on how to get backlink from this particular website. So United Nations website, this particular website, you are going to get free high quality Dofollow backlink with a DA of 90 plus, and this will obviously give your website a unique juice and for you to rank higher. And I will show you the process on how to get it from copy this, and this is what we are going to teach on this particular tutorial. So just stay tuned.
Purchase your tracks today.
All right, welcome back. So now you know the SEO metric of this particular website, United Nations website, domain authority DR of 94, and the unique root domain over 640k, and the ranking keyword is over 513k, and with the spam score of 28%. And how do you get the backlink that will give you the link juice to your website? Just follow me as I do. Come to my notebook. I will give the link in the description on how to do this, on how to copy this. Copy this particular URL. This particular URL, I've copied it, and then this particular, it will look like this. You copy this, and it will look like this. You copy this particular URL, it is legal.ua.org.document.asp, blah 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 blah. Then you change where you see EF and referral equals to, that is where you put your domain, hashtag your article that you want to get backlink and the new juice for. So how do you do it? Like this, for instance, I copy it like this. I do it like this: http://legal.org document, and where it says language equals to EF and referral equals to your http/your domain.com/the article that you want to get nick juice for. So in my own case, I change the https to one of the article of my website to http referral to blendng.com/clouddeepsyn, one of the article that I wrote on the website. So I want to get the link juice for it. So after that, I'll change it and copy this particular URL. This I put it in the ehref equals to http. So I now change it like this. So if you copy this particular URL, you copy it like this, and to see what it's going to look like, then you come to here. You come to here, and I copy it like this, and I paste, then search. You now see something so much. Let me show me. After we copy, let me show you. You see English, and you see back to previous page. So this is where you get your link juice. So if I click on it, it will take me to where I put the link for my post, and that's obviously pass the link juice to my website. So let me click on it. You see, it takes me back to my website. So that's obviously the link juice that this particular trick, a method of getting backlink from United Nations gives you. So let me recopy, let me repaste and see what I'm telling you. You see, take that ledger that we copy here. I will give the link in the description of this particular link where you can do the same. I'll give you the link. You change it to your website URL. So I copy legal.un.document.php, and where you see language equals to EF and referral equals to my website article, and I put it here, and it obviously give me the link juice to my website. And that's what we obviously do. We do it from here. Step one, you copy this particular link, you copy it, and you can, the way it is now, you can change it. Then you put the blog article that you want to rank and paste it here. If you don't get it, let me show you again. This particular link, you copy it like this, and you come to your website. Like on my own case, come to blend.ng.com. So I copy any of the article that I want to rank, that I want to pass the link juice for. I copy it. In my own case, I want to rank this. I want to get the link juice for this particular post, biography, profile, cloud dipsing, biography, and all that. So I will copy it like this. I will copy the link address, then come back to this particular, then you paste it here. Then you copy this. After pasting it, you copy it like this. Then you come to here. You paste it in your URL of your browser, and it will show you this particularly. That means you have got the link juice backlink to your website. And if you zoom in like this, because I'm on the mobile English, and you see the page, it will tell you to back to previous page. And so when you click on it, it will take you to the blog post of your website. So it takes you to the blog post of your website, like my own website. So you see, so that is the link juice. That is how you get the backlink from you here, this particular website. I'll show you the way, and this is the metric of this particular website. It has a DA of 94, the link juice and all that. You can see the website, the PA of 80. Wow, that's fantastic. And you can see the linking domains that is linking to this particular website. We have Google, we have Cloudflare, we have Document, we have Apple. All of them have DA of 100, 99, 99, 99, 98. That is wow. And if you see their metric, you see discover and lost linking domain. So that is where you get the link juice from this particular website, and you get your backlink. Back to this, the wall we copy this particular this thing that we did. You see, so taking you back. So after you have done that, after you have gotten this backlink, you copy it again. You in order for you to get it easily indexed, you go to one of the social index bookmark like this. Start.me, then you paste that particular URL that you've getting backlink from this particular URL. Let me show you this particular link that you just get. You copy it, then you paste it here. In order for your link to easily indexed, to get it indexed faster, you come to this. I have a lot of that I do, so you come to this. I've already done that, but for you to know, just come here. You see, just come here. Just edit it like this. Just edit it like this. Come to the bottom, then paste. In my own case, I've done it already exists. So that is tells you. So after that, your name should be indexed without any delay. Also, so your link will be indexed, and you start to get the link juice to your website. That is the list of backlinks that I've created for my website. So I hope you enjoyed this particular tutorial. This is AYTube channel. It's a website where you can get SEO, blog, and cryptocurrency tutorial. And I hope you enjoyed this particular video. If you like, please kindly give me the top up, subscribe, and comment on this particular video so that I will know what I'm doing makes sense to you. And this is AYTube channel. Once again, please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can receive the latest update from me. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's based a bit.